Hey guys, Free Your Device here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to start and create your own app without coding, because some of you guys may not know coding. Now, before we get started, huge thank you to Team iHackify. They're the people who actually helped me make something, and this is the app that you guys are going to want to use to actually start your own app into a profile. Now, we are working on something where you could sign it, and yes, we're going to try, but if we can't, we're going to remove that, and we're going to unimplement that feature. So, let's go ahead and show you guys number one thing. If you guys can follow them on Twitter and download their Ace Plaza app over here. It's a PC and iOS device app. Yeah, right here. And yeah, this is it. And they have so much stuff, so much tabs you guys can download. By the way, I have my own repository here if you guys want to go ahead and add it. If you guys get into the sources section, right here you guys will see my repository, and if you click it, I only have one app in there, but I'm going to be adding a lot more. And we are updating the OP Store sources section into a real repository system, just like Mojo. And not just that, we're not stealing codes or anything, but we're just going to make it like InnoJB and stuff like that, but in our codes. So what we're going to be showing you guys right now is how to start your own app. Now, because of the Team iHackify's help, we actually have a way where you guys can add your own profile. So what you guys want to do is go to appshit.com to start your profile, then go to the link and not to start your profile, to start your app. Go to the link and go to freeyourdevice.ga. When you're at freeyourdevice.ga, what you guys are gonna want to go ahead and actually do, scroll down and download our app. So let's go ahead and show you guys which one is our app. So right here, it's gonna say, it's gonna be very small for you guys, so I would recommend making it bigger. We have 3 apps that we already released, but this app, IPCU, that's what you guys would want to download, even though we have an app coming soon. But right here, IPCU, click on the download button, and when you download it, it'll take you guys to right here. This is the link that you guys are gonna see. If you guys want it, scroll down, you guys can view everything here. So what you guys want to do is click this little download button right there, and wait for the profile to come. Now right here is a profile. Click on the install button, enter your password, and when you enter the password, click on the install and install right there. And once done, you guys are gonna want to go back to your home screen, and right here you guys are gonna see the IPCU application. So what you guys want to do is open it, come into this section in the distribution section, but it's not the distribution, right here where it says general, and then it says IPCU right under the general heading. There's settings that you guys can actually change to this, so if you guys want to change this, you guys can go ahead and feel free. And yeah, I'm not gonna change anything, but you guys could. If you guys see, right here we have some features into this a lot, and right here you guys want to click on where it says start profile and click OK. When you guys do that, then you guys are gonna go ahead and click on right here where it says web clips, and you guys are gonna want to fill this feature out. But now, because you guys have the app downloaded, you guys can actually go ahead into the appshed.com website. And yeah, so what you guys want to, oops, I went to the wrong thing. But go to the appshed.com website, and once you guys go to the appshed.com website, I will see you guys there, because you guys are gonna have to log in and everything else. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so you're now at the Appshed website, and you guys want to scroll down. When you're there, scroll down, and when you guys scroll down, you guys are going to see all these plans. If you guys have enough money for any of these plans, go ahead and get those plans. But if you want to make a free app, you guys want to click on right here where it says starter. In the starter section, you guys want to, right here, click I already logged in. Normally it would ask you to register. If you already have an Appshed account, what you guys are going to want to do is click on the login button right under the register button. It'll say login. Just click on login. But I'm already logged in. So what you guys would want to do is click on, after you register, login, you guys see this. Click on the first one right here. And yeah. And over here, when you guys see, you guys are seeing an iPhone. I made a lot of apps, but over here here's proof that I made this app. Right here, the IPCU. I have it actually installed. I have it over here in this profile section. App section. But right here, there's over here. There is a lot of apps that we are making, and yeah. And most of them are, these are all test apps except OP Store, and all these other apps. But this is just a test app right here. All these are test apps. Right here, what you guys want to do is click on the new app right in the bottom. And okay, so I just did that. And what you guys want to do is go ahead and use these features here, like forum, text area, and all these. You guys want to use them, and when you guys use them and bring them to over here. So like for an example, say we wanted to create a text area, or yeah, text area. So we click on text area. That's the description. If you guys want to use like a username or password or something like that, you click on right here where it says forum. Or forms, I meant, not forum. Forms. And right here you guys can use password, turn it on or off, check it or uncheck it. And yeah, so we're just gonna leave the name as the same. So if we click right here where it says save, and we're gonna come right here, you guys will see you guys can actually type in it. So if we click right here, you guys can type in it random stuff. And yeah, so if you guys want to delete it, you have to click it and then click the delete button right here. Scroll down for me because I'm making it big so you guys can see the phone. And yeah, so what you guys want to do, anytime you guys see something that says screen header, click on it and click on edit. Update the screen header to name it and anything you guys like to name it. So like anything you guys want to name it. So from my case, if I was to name something, I don't know what I would name it. I mean, I'm not making an IPCU app, so I'm just gonna name it IPCU. And when you're done, just click go. And if you guys see now, the header looks better. It says IPCU. Over here it says tab name. Make sure you click that tab name and click edit. When you click on edit, you guys want to edit the name and the icon, the name and the icon of the tab. So I'm not going to edit the icon, but the name I'll change back to IPCU. So IPCU, so name it anything, IPCU, and click go. And when you name it IPCU, the tab and the actual icon looks a very lot better. So let's go ahead right here. For those of you who cannot see it, oh man, it's too big. Alright. So right here, you guys can see it says IPCU. So there you guys go, and in the icon, if I scroll down, the tab says IPCU as well. You guys could change the tab. Now this is how you guys could start your own app. Now, say you guys wanted to create a button, you guys would want to click on the button right here, where it says the button. And yeah, so when you guys create the button, you guys can create the button and save it if you guys like, and edit it and all that stuff. But doesn't matter what you guys want to create. You guys can create buttons in any way. So I'm gonna show you guys how to create the buttons in a little bit. If you guys want a button, you guys could do that. And if you guys don't want, see, like for an example, this is a one button. This is the actual legit button right there. But if you guys want to create like a text button that just says like URL, you guys want to create a URL button, you guys would want to go right here where it says link. And in the link section, you guys want to add it. But over here, if you guys wanted to create something like text, then what you guys want to do is just click on text or anything. So anything you guys want, you guys could just click it. So say like text, you guys want to add text. Go delete this text, name it anything you guys want. I don't really know what you guys would like to name it. I guess we'll name it start. And then right here, you guys are going to see something that says action. You guys want to click on action, click on change action. In the change action section, sorry, I'm talking too fast, but whatever. You guys want to choose one of these that you guys want. You guys can even go in JavaScript and custom JavaScript, or you guys can go into Blockly. And Blockly already has all the JavaScript that you guys might want in there for you, like custom alerts, and all these stuff. Like say you create a city alternative, like mine. You guys can do that all in JavaScript. But if you guys don't, you guys can use these kind of stuff. Like if you guys want someone to email you, you guys can click on email. If you guys want like a web clip where they tap it and it'll take them to a website. If you guys want like a standard screen, gallery screen, anything, you guys can go to it. So if I wanted standard screen, I'd click standard screen, click save, and what it would happen, what would it do is if you guys go up, you click on it, for you guys it would say navigate, you click navigate, it'll take you to a custom screen. Now again, you guys want to change the header to whatever you guys wanted to change it to. So whatever you guys would like to change your header to, just click on your click on your header and change it. So click on your header and click edit, but I'm gonna click right here, close. And let's go ahead and change the header. So what we're gonna do is click on here, click edit, and you guys can change your header into anything you guys want, just like I showed you guys earlier. So now you guys get the point of this. And yeah, so it's very easy. So if I wanted to name it again IPCU, you guys can name it anything. And yeah, so C says IPCU, you guys click back, it'll go back. So if you guys, alright, so if you guys click back, it should let you guys go back automatically, just like that. That's how you create a button text like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to create like a normal button. If you guys want a normal button, right here it says button, you click right here where it says button, scroll up, and you guys want to see the text. Change the text to anything you guys would like. So I'm gonna write stop, and if you guys want stop, you guys, just like how you guys created it, normal, same thing. So click on the stop button. If If you guys click navigate, it will take you to email because that's the default section. But what you guys want to do is click on action and change action. And when you guys, oops, sorry guys, alright, let me go ahead and change this again. Alright, so just like I said, you guys want to click on action and change action. I clicked the wrong thing, but okay. So when you click on action and change action, what you guys want to do is look for action you guys would like to use. I really don't know what I want to use. Like, if you guys want to use like JavaScript, Blockly, over here is custom JavaScript. If I click expand, you guys can use one of these custom JavaScripts. But yeah, yeah, right here is where you guys can edit everything. I'm not gonna do this, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it to something else. So anything you guys want to change this to, I really don't know. I would just go back into a standard screen and click save. And now when you guys click this button, it will take you to a standard screen. So you guys get the point on how to make the app. It's very easy. And yeah, so for an example, so now what I would want to do is make like a URL. See where it says text? You guys want to make it like, say you guys wanted to have a link. If you guys click on link or image link, you guys could change this all here. So right here, we're going to change it and we're going to name it, I don't know what we should name it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete everything. And I guess we'll name it link to show you guys that it's a link. If you guys want to name it link, you guys can name it link. And if not, it's alright. And over here, you guys want to go ahead and choose an icon. I'm not going to choose an icon or anything, so I'm just going to leave it the same. Click save. And by the way, this is automatically into a standard screen, just the way I wanted it. So if you guys change the icon, this is what it would look like, something like this. It's awesome. So okay, so what you guys want to do is come into here and just like I said, go back and change the screen header. I'm not gonna change any screen headers. I'm just trying to click on the back button, which it won't let me. And yeah, change the screen header. And yeah, but you guys get the point on how to change the screen header. And yeah, so what you guys want to do right here is click on publish. If you're finished with your app, you guys get the point on how to make it. Click on the start and wait for it to be done. Once you guys are done with that, you're all set. So what you guys want to actually do now is to go right here and in this section click share and hold on web clip, copy the URL, and now you guys can click, I mean not web clip, you know, and hold on and copy the URL. This is the URL for it, but you guys may not want people to actually click this and add it to home screen. So I could add it to home screen easily, but what you guys want to do is actually change some settings for it. So if you guys wanted to change the settings for it, you guys want to click here where it says settings. Name the app anything you guys like to name it. So right here, if you guys would name it something, I don't know what you guys want to name it, but name it anything, IPCU or anything. And then right here, you guys could change the description, change the icon, change the screen thing like when it loads, and you guys could change a lot more. And then if you guys come to style, you guys could change some styles like the show header and everything, but I'm not gonna even get through that. So let's go ahead and save this, republish it again, and since we have the URL, we can go ahead and show you guys about the app. So yeah, so what I'm gonna be showing you guys now is how to actually export it. So what we're gonna do is export it. Yeah, so what we're gonna be doing is exporting everything. So we're gonna export it, go back to the URL in the description, not in the description, the URL that you guys actually got from your app shed when you guys created it, and wait for the thing to load, and you guys see that you guys actually made your app. So if you guys click it, it'll take you to here, just like the way it will, and then it says IPCU, and then you click the button, and then you click the link, and then it goes to a standard screen. So just like you guys get the way. I mean, this is a dumb app. I mean, I never worked so hard on it, but it's okay. Now you guys get the point of it. Yeah, so you guys should know now. That's how you guys do it if you guys want to create that. Now let's go ahead into making it into a profile. What we're gonna be doing is going into here. You guys want to come into the IPCU section. In the IPCU section, you guys want to go ahead, make a description about the app. In the description, you guys want to make a name about the app and make everything over here that will show you guys about the app. So change everything here. Then go back and you guys can come into here, change some stuff like here. In my case, I would turn all of it on if you guys want. So I would turn on Dropbox, and I would turn on this, the email and Dropbox. So I would turn on email and Dropbox and make sure they're both on. And yeah, you guys can now come into more stuff like to see your email body text plate. So when you send someone the email, this is what it would say. And you guys can come into here, but as you guys know, you guys can read that. It's not implemented in there yet, so you guys cannot use that feature yet. So this is what it would say, and yeah. So what you guys want to do is click right here into where it says create profile and click on OK. When you guys do that, click on where it says web clip, and over here change the name to anything. Like I said, you guys can name it IPCU from anything. And over here, click right here where it says to you know, where you guys could choose an image, and then enter a link and everything to it. So as the link and the you know, for both, I'm gonna put the link over here. Even one of them right there where it says URL, you're gonna put the link. You guys want to put the link in there, and down there you guys want to click on generate once done. But over here you guys would just want to put in your name, like a name that you guys want to let people know that this app is by you. But I'm gonna put in the URL anyways, and then we're gonna click on generate and click download. But for whatever reason it says this. Okay, maybe let me go ahead and see if I could choose a picture. Alright, so I'm gonna block everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and down there. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose the OP store icon, or not the OP store icon. I don't really care which icon, but okay, yeah, we could use OP store icon, I guess, and let it encode everything. Click on generate and download, and there you go. So the profile will actually automatically be installed right there, and see, is this the under it will say name. I mean, here, if you guys want to change it, you guys could change it to anything. So right here it says the name, so we're gonna put name. Alright, so let's go to here where it says name, and change it to anything. So I'm gonna make it just IPCU. I don't really care. I really don't care actually. So make it generate, because this is just a test, and click download. And it should encode your profile, and you guys can actually now install it. As you guys see, that's how you guys do it, and the name. And yeah, so over here you guys can view your web clips. Right here you guys want to click on your install, enter your password, install. By the way, it'll give you a message right there if you guys want to see. I'll give you a whole entire message right there. And yeah, so right there it'll tell you that this is by Ace Devs and everything. Right here you guys see that we have actually installed the IPCU app. Now if you guys click it, boom, you guys right there, you guys can see the app you guys made. So that's how you guys make an app. So right here just works, but here's the reason why I'm telling you guys, you guys need to update your app. So say we wanted to make a tab in the app, you guys could easily make a tab in your app just by going back into that URL. I don't remember where it was, but you guys can go back into the editing link and just click on where it says new tab, and you guys can edit it. So right when you guys click new tab, you guys can name the tab, and if it's a gallery screen, you guys can make gallery screen. You guys get the point on how to make an app. So thank you guys again for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.